Even in these cool temperatures, it cranked out a great grilled cheese. I also heated up a big pot of rice and beans. Now let's put it to the test with a half a gallon of water. This is about a half a gallon of water, brought to a rolling boil in 15 minutes. Super easy build. Just grab the cans, rip the labels off, and add the sand. Then get a slightly shorter one. Add the sand to that too, but just not quite to the top. Then grab a 2 or 2.5 ounce stainless steel sauce cup, also called a ramekin, and to put it in the sand, I just kind of rock it back and forth like this. And that's it. Then just take your hand sanitizer, add it and light it up. Slide these in equally, and you're done. It'll hold any size or weight of pan, and it cooks great. Each time I fill it, I'm filling it anywhere from half to 3/4 full. The alcohol content of this hand sanitizer, by the way, is 80%. Always choose the highest alcohol content hand sanitizer you can find. It'll burn better if it's higher content alcohol. This stove has some serious power when you need it. And of course, to change the power level, just raise or lower the sand level in the center can. Another cool thing about this stove is it's flex fuel, so it burns not only using hand sanitizer, but if you don't have that, you could use the isopropyl alcohols like the 70% or the 91%. You can also use the ethanol blend fuels, you know, the ones for the indoor ventless fireplaces, and you can even use the drinking alcohol if you have a high enough proof one. Perfect. The 3 cans that make the stand, by the way, don't have to be Dinty Moore cans. They're just 15-ounce standard cans like any of these. It's all the same metal can, just different label.